Hi, my name is Jeremy Kruis, and in this video I'm going to show you what it was like to film my last project. Alright, here we go. We went to the airport at 4 a.m. Checked in. Ate breakfast. Uploaded a video. And flew to Jakarta.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are just landed at Jakarta International Airport.
In Jakarta, we met up with Sarah. Transferred to the domestic terminal. Checked in again. Ate lunch. And hopped on a flight to Banyuwangi.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Limbing Sari, the airport of Banyuwangi. For safety reasons.
We landed in a rainstorm. We got our bags, took a taxi to the hotel. It was a really nice hotel. We found some yummy local food. Then we went to bed. We woke up, ate breakfast. It was also my birthday. Then we had some fun swimming. We had a production meeting that night. Then we went to bed. Shoot day. We drove to location, set up gear. We waited for the gear to warm up because of the humidity, and then we started shooting. Just getting some dinner now. The shoot went really well. We're heading to Bali tonight. We ordered dinner. We stayed at a really nice villa for free. It had a really cool outdoor bathroom. Then we woke up at 2:30 a.m. to travel to Bali. We woke up later that morning on the bus. We walked around Kuta. We saw the beach, ate lunch, bought some gifts, and then rented a car to drive to Uluwatu Temple. We watched the Tarikacek dance. The next morning we ate breakfast. I love breakfast. And then we did some touristy things around Bali. We went to a batik design place. We tried luwak coffee pooped out of a civet cat. We saw the rice terraces at Ubud. And we went to Blangsinga waterfall. Then it was time to go home. We drove to the airport, dropped Sarah off at the domestic terminal, said goodbye, and Hannah and I flew back to Manila from the international terminal. As you can see, it was a super packed trip. I've been doing projects like this for the past year, and I was definitely scared at first. But I've learned to say yes to things that scare me, because that's the only way to keep growing. So take courage and say yes sometimes. Hey guys, I just finished editing that. I really hope you like it. Please leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe so you can see my videos in the future. Alright, peace out. See you next time.